Hello, today it's one of the first impressions, actually the second impression, but I will come back to that later, of the Nomatic Messenger Bag. That's the one which came out at the same time as the Nomatic Backpack. And for me, that was, maybe I want to have it one in the past. And then I went for the backpack and then for the travel pack. And you know these videos already. If not, I will link them up here. The part here is, why is it a second impression? I saw one guy wearing this one on the train and we were standing next to one another and it's like, yay, Nomatic, yay, Nomatic. And this was the first time I met someone out in the wild who has a Nomatic backpack or something from Nomatic, and the second time it was in an airport in, I think, Chicago. So this is a messenger bag, and as you see, it's quite strong from the build, and when I remember right, this one here was magnetic, but I have to say I do not know how to get that off. There was a way to do so, but I think I found it. If you go down, maybe not. There you go. So you see, probably you don't see, let's help you a little on this one. It has a little angle here, so there you go, and lock that inside, and it's magnetic holding. So that's part number one, so you can take those things off, you just have to know which angle to use. That looks still pretty good, I mean, not really used. You have a leash here, where you have an opportunity to hook something inside, and those clips are, oh yeah, they're really sturdy. They seem to hold something. Some of the features are the same as with the backpack. There's this padded compartment here, which is bigger. I hope you can see that from there, as the one in the backpack and on the travel pack. Then let's go from the outside first. So you see here there's the Rfid safe pocket, a normal one with a zipper, and two big compartments. I mean, it's like this for the notebook, what you have in the backpack. So it's separated here. 4 mesh pockets, 2 pen pockets. And this is the version 1, which you see on the color already, that it's this normal gray, not this shaded one. And then go one step further. There we go. 1 mesh pocket. The pass-through, if you have cables and you want to charge something in your supported pack. 1 mesh, another mesh on the side, a more sturdy one, a bigger one. Then you have, like, I would say a document pouch, and this is Velcro, but it seems like there's no real counterpart for that. I'm a little surprised. This one is basically loose in here. Not sure where it was supposed to stay. Maybe on the inside. There's a few more Velcros inside. I will come to that in a second. And you can close that also with this wonderful Nomatic Velcro. So in here, now I got it. Oh, that's something I have to show you, because otherwise you will not be able to see that. You can build up those compartments here, and this one is usually flat. You can have it all the way flat down, but you can put those up, and then you have like those compartments where maybe for a camera or something that could be interesting. I don't know. And I will give you a closer look at this one, where it's like just a document pouch, but it has this Velcro on the outside. And I actually don't know where to fit that, but I will have a look at the official Nomatic video. So if you have this one completely pushed out, that holds something. And now I do understand how it works. It's an either or. Either do you have this one or you have that one. Pick one. Not bad made, so you can also get that smaller again later if you do not want to use the full space. You can probably even, no, it's the same size. You cannot fit it inside. So it's either or, you just place it on top, whatever you want. And then you have like all the space here for attaching stuff with Velcros. Let's have a look what we have on the back side here. This is the like the document pouch as you have it on the travel pack and on the backpack. Then you have one pouch for a tablet and a second one for a MacBook or something, or a laptop. Let me get quickly a laptop for you. Doesn't take too long. Luckily I have one here. So this is the 13-inch to give you a size comparison. This is a smaller pocket, perfectly fits inside. It has a little space, so that's nice. And let me get a 16-inch as a comparison. You should probably still hear me pretty well, thanks to the Rode Wireless Go. And let me have a look how this fits. This is a 16. In the smaller compartment, no chance. In the larger compartment, it fits, but as you can see, it looks out. So I probably would not like to put a 16 here, and I'm not sure about a 15, because it will be close to the corners, and yeah, if you bang into something, probably not the best solution. If you go for 13, the bigger one is, yeah, completely submerging it. And yeah, you will easily get another tablet in here, maybe a 13, 12.9 or whatever you're going to have. So that will work perfectly. Having this all through, then at the back side you have one pouch for pass-through for your trolley. If you want to place it on top of the trolley, you can put that inside. And it will be upside standing, so that's pretty nice. And I mean, for the condition of it, it looks really, really well aged, let's say. The zippers are all working fine. I don't hear or see any constraints here, which is a problem. And last but not least, the one thing which is sometimes problematic on AirPods. It's just, you have to explain it. There are magnets inside here. So you have two bottle holders here, and with a magnet they stay put. But that's a part, it's usually fine. They just talk to you and say like, hey, what is this inside here? And yeah, it's a magnet. And this here, it's also a magnet. But that's basically all. Probably they will also talk about the magnet then later here. But I have to say, good purchase. I mean, I paid, I think, around $55 for this. I think the price new was $140, $150. For this, I'm happy. Probably not for myself. I need to find a use case for this, but I just wanted to give a short review on it with my initial thoughts. I will give it a try for my use, or probably my fiance will give it a try, and then we get back to you and give you a deeper look. This is just first impression with the inlays of the Nomatic Messenger Bag. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. And if you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel. And that's all from my side. More videos to come here and here. Have a great one and see you next time.